We have some of the highest-end computing engines available.
At UWL, the classes are relatively small.
It's very interactive and hands-on.
The professors have been very helpful when I didn't understand something in class.
We have expertise that spans any subdiscipline you can imagine.
You will absolutely be challenged in this program.
I think I have a very similar experience with everybody else where I started off with video games and then I wanted to make video games and then I just got very interested in computer things.
I started out as a computer science major and transitioned after I took an architecture class and found that I was really passionate about understanding how a computer works.
We offer 3 strong majors, a Bachelor's of Computer Science. We also offer a bachelor's degree in computer engineering, and we follow that up with a master's degree in software engineering as well.
The 5-year program, I saw it was a great way to earn a master's degree pretty efficiently in college.
The classes are very rigorous. Every professor was very much an expert on the topic they were teaching and could go very deep on any questions that you asked with them.
I'm working on a research project with one of my professors, Dr. Das. We are looking into using EEG signals, which is basically brain signals, for biometric authentication.
Our senior design project, which is a AI-driven Lego sorter that is fully created by us and driven through like Python language on a Raspberry Pi.
One of the projects that I worked on was to implement from scratch how to perform calculus calculations such as derivatives and integrals using programs.
There's a game development conference called MDev, which takes place in Madison every year, and I'm planning on taking Squirrels Gone Nuts to do a demo stage there. So I'd set up a little booth and players would be able to come over and try out the game for themselves.
We do also have an outstanding series of lectures that have been given by world-renowned computer scientists. This past year we had Patrick Hanrahan, who was one of the early founders of Pixar.
I was able to do some meet and greet with him and speak with him. That's something very unique that you get from being at UWL.
There are so many students that when I think back across my career have just done so well. We have students working at all the major companies you can imagine.
I am headed to Seattle for TikTok as a back-end software engineer. The program definitely offers the tools to get to such places.